couple of things that traders will be watching. How fast does this Canadian negotiation move along? It looks like you might be able to get something done in maybe a week and a half. Either that, or it won't be done at all. So we'll keep a close eye on that. Another thing traders will be watching is the Chinese currency. The People's Bank of China came in and supported it the other day. They wondered if that was a hot tip to the president, who had said that they were taking advantage of a weak currency to move things around. So we'll be following that to see if there's any follow-up there, and see what's happening with the Chinese leadership and where things are going.
Art, we were just talking about just the general setup here, just this kind of long period between getting to a new high, and whether, in fact, investors are going to start to feel as if they're underexposed to the market if it starts to just levitate like this. Obviously, we're a little bit stretched in the short term, perhaps, in terms of this rally, but how do you think the street is positioned with regard to that?
Yeah, I know. I think we haven't seen a oh my God, the train's leaving the station run, and that's a possibility. And you know, Michael, that the market these days is somewhat distorted by the preponderance of ETFs and other things. So it's not that people looking for that one company or whatever. It's a group of stocks, so they are somewhat underweighted.
Nomura's got a note out today in which they suggest the market is starting to sniff out a 2019 rate hike pause. You think that's a legitimate point of view?
I think that's worthy. You know me.
I know. That's why I'm asking.
I'm kind of bearish on rate hikes. I think there's a hesitancy there. You saw Bullard. Powell looked a lot more dovish than anybody thought. So yeah, I think that's a possibility.
And could it even be a December pause, right? I mean, I think you're starting to hear that talk
yes.
as well.
Yeah.
And that's Bullard.
I think it could well be there. So we'll cross our fingers. Right now, we're going to find out. In Asia, the markets consolidated their big gains from yesterday and went nowhere. Moves are very small in Europe. So let's see if we can ride this pony a little further and see where we go.